Hello, hi. Are you still facing challenge in learning and working with the Linux command? Are you might be a fresher or working expert? If yes, if yes, then I am presenting a 5 days Linux live workshop and for you to handle challenges towards a Linux command line. And I am A. Balachandra Kumar and I welcome everyone to this deep dive into a Linux live workshop and a 5 days live workshop for beginners to advanced users in real time experience. And what are you waiting for? It's just 99 rupees. And click the below link and get registered. We'll catch you in the workshop. Good day. Keep smiling. Thank you. Bye.